What up, what up, what up, man? Y'all already know they done cut the power again. I'm finna get ready to go to the restaurant right quick. Take these little walks since the sun ain't out. It just got through it. It been raining, man. It been raining. I ain't sweating right now, but I'm about to sweat. But anyway, man, y'all follow the channel, man. Like the video, comment, share the video, all that shit. Y'all don't never comment, man, but it's all good. But like the video, follow the channel, man. I'm finna get up out of here, man. Start another video. Finna do this shit all over again. Finna do it again, man. Whether y'all like it or not. Finna do this shit again, man. And become a member too, man. Y'all need to become a member, man, cause I got the members only video coming. Remember that. Got them coming. They hot. Them videos gonna be hot. I'm telling y'all, they gonna be hot. Just like me, hot. But anyway, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all. I gotta get me something to eat. But I did go up to La Palma when it got me an omelet. This morning, listen, these kids cry all day long, man. That's all they do. They cry, they spoil. They don't do nothing but cry. I swear, that's all these kids do is cry, man. Cry. Listen. All day. When I say all day, every word, they cry all day. That's all they do is cry. I'm finna get up out of here, man. Stay tuned, man. I'm finna walk up through here. And I know it's muddy. It's real muddy and shit, though. My head messed up. I ain't worried about it. But had a good time last night. Action-packed video. I just uploaded the video, man. It's action-packed, man. Packed house again. We might have a packed house tonight, man, because people come and drink and eat. They just come chill, man. But, and we got the Wi-Fi straight over there too, so I ain't missing no messages, none of that shit, though. None of that shit. But I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna let y'all, man. Hope y'all, I don't know what's worse, them cutting the power or these kids crying. I don't know, they cut the power. Is it the power or the kid crying? Oh boy, they cry, I'm telling y'all. These kids don't do nothing but cry. All day long. But, walking, man. Turn the camera around, cause Lord have mercy, they be tripping about the camera. I'm gonna be back though. That's the main sound you gonna hear. Y'all ever come over here? I don't care what country you go to. Gotta walk way around there and be in that corner. But I don't care what country you go to. You gonna hear the kid crying and chicken crowing. Kids crying and chicken crowing. That's what you gonna hear all day. Trust me. I ain't gonna get you. Showing that the power is off. Come back to the house, man. Come back to the house. We ain't had no tissue. And I ate an omelet and some rice. Whole plate of rice, man. I got to go back to the house right quick, man. I got to go back to the house, man. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. See that window wide open right there? Wide open. That's why the mosquito be tearing his ass up. You leave it open. Leave it wide open. I just took me a nice ass nap. Watched me some YouTube while the power was on. So, finna head back to the restaurant, get me something to eat. Y'all see all them people down there? They getting water because they turned the water back on. They done turned the water back on because the shit be off all the time. They just turned it back on and everybody can have a little water party. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all, man, before they get crazy talking about the car. See, we got power. We got power, y'all. Power everywhere. Power back there. Power back there. Skateboarders. We're gonna skateboard, man. Bonsoir, ça va? I'm gonna go get me some wings. I'm gonna go get me some wings, man, and something right quick. But I'll be back. Chicken place closed. The chicken place closed, man. They closed down on me, man. And it's another place down there I do not eat from. Yeah, y'all, I pretty much missed the whole day. I missed all the action, man. I think I missed all the action. I missed all the action, I believe, cause I went to the house and took me a power nap. I got me some rest. Especially the power was on. The power was on at the house. Yeah, I watched YouTube for a couple hours. I was waiting on them to cut it off, but they ain't cut it off. I felt like they were gonna cut it off, so I just left. Came here, ate me some wings. Finna close up now. Finna shut it down. Y'all see them people down there? We about to shut it down, man. Yeah, I kind of missed the day though, but still got the video though. Missed the day. I don't know where the toilet key at, but we got enough key though.
Where we can?
Yeah.
Because we were the one who ate the coconut. So right now it's one going on.
Dirty girl.
Yeah, but we finna,
Because that's not hot.
we finna,
I'm going to throw it out.
alright. We finna close up, y'all. I ain't gonna sign out right now, but I'm finna sign out in a minute. Yeah, I ain't hear nothing but crowing, chicken crowing, and babies crying. I might name this video Chicken Crowing and Babies Crying. That's all I heard today. Crying babies. I don't know if y'all know, but it's a store right here beside the restaurant. We got a store right there. It's a little store right there. Store right there. Right next door. Later on, we thinking about getting this place right here. We thinking about getting this place right here later on and putting a dough. Gonna put a dough in there and probably put a dance floor, a big ass mirror, and build it up. Put cement blocks, cement it up. Probably do that later on sometime. But they talking too much right now. They want too much for it right now. We're gonna see about it though. Closing up. No, I am. The crew. Warren don't feel good. Warren's sick. So he got malaria. But he'll be back in a couple of days. He'll be back to work in a couple of days.
From Tanzania.
No, they eat anything.
Yeah.
They eat anything. I need to get on this side. What you call that? What you call that? What you eat? What that fruit is you eat?
We call it banana.
Huh? Banane.
Banana.
He eating banane. He eating banane and chicken shit, y'all.
Yeah, that's good.
Chicken shit and banane. Chicken shit right there all day long.
The level of cleanliness. Too much cleanliness is a disease. Haven't you ever heard about that?
All right, y'all. I'm gonna end this video. There ain't too much going on, but we're finna end the video, man. Follow the channel, like, share, subscribe, and turn your notifications on.
If you're new here, make sure you start from the beginning.
Yeah, while we eating banana and chicken shit. Holla at y'all, man. We're gonna holla at y'all, man. My video look a little choppy. It's a little choppy. The video look a little choppy.
Because it's dark.
Got him.
That's the guy. What do you call him? Machi. Is it Machi?
Oh, Machi.
Yeah, Machi. That's it.